and they don't want relationship, but they like you. Isn't it confusing? You know what? It's very common and it's also faced by men as well. So ladies and my men, let's talk about this and find out the actual psychology behind a man or a woman likes you, but they are not ready for the relationship. Stay with me. First, let's just quickly discuss what is liking means. When a person shows interest in you, they talk to you, they do phone call, they message you, they are available for you whenever it's needed. But when you talk about relationship with them, when you talk about spending more time as a couple, they are not ready for it. So when I say couple, it means it's very straight that they want certain kind of attachment to towards each other. And when you know that it's not gonna happen, and you really feel so stressed and you just want to ask them. So in short, you just want to know what is happening and you are so confused, stressed, and really you don't know what to do. Ladies, please calm down. And men, whoever is going through this situation, I want you to just step back and think about the 4 points I'm going to discuss with you all to understand the problem. Understand one thing, that every step, every situation, every action, every reaction has psychology behind. So as an adult, it's very important that we stop behaving like a kid and understand this entire situation in a very rational manner. So let's understand the first psychological aspect behind why the person is showing you interest, liking you, but not ready for the relationship. Well, the first reason is their own emotional baggage. Yes, you heard me right. Some people are really dealing with their own issues. The issues like depression, the issues like their past bad relationship, the issues like family obligations, the issues like their own ethics, the issues like their own culture, the issues like whatever related to their emotional state of mind. For example, if the person has gone through a very bad relationship in the past, so of course that person will be very alert to get into the new relationship. And that's when the person is hesitate to really commit or be in a relationship, because the wound that he had is very much fresh. So it's not you, it's him. So we need to understand, or maybe we have to discuss with him or her that what's going on, or try to know by asking them very simple questions about their past, or maybe how they're handling the present, or maybe what's going on in their life. It's very easy step and it's very crucial thing to understand what their mental state is. To get out of that emotional baggage, it's very important that they should understand themselves first. They should have their own time to understand what's going on. You should give them time, you should give them help rather than just nagging them for the relationship. It's very important, guys. And if you don't understand this, if you don't understand your partner's mental health, trust me, the relationship will never get in place. Okay, now you found out that the person is very well by mental, or maybe he doesn't have much issues, he's really came out of his breakup and he's at a very good state of mind, healthy state of mind. So but still he's doing the same thing, he's showing you interest but he doesn't want the relationship. So what could be the reason? So my second reason is maybe they don't see you as a potential partner yet. It's very important to start a relationship with the person with whom your thoughts are matching, your culture is matching, sometimes even the family limitations are matching. People do see this, and this is the bad secret and this is the bad fact of the world, that people do observe all these things, social, cultural, economical background of a girl or of a boy. So whenever you want to get into a relationship, it's very important that you should know what the person thinks about all this social economical behavior, and also if he is your like-minded or not. Without this, I don't think so the relationship is gonna go anywhere. Many people I have seen that they just want everything so fast. They just want to pounce on a guy or a girl for a commitment or maybe for a relationship. But please, you need to hold on as an adult. Yes, So my third point is they don't love you yet. Yes, liking and love is totally very different. Liking can happen just in seconds. Liking is very much external, and love is external and internal both. For example, if a person loves you, the above three aspects which I have just mentioned has to match. So it's very important that you should know that person first. Spend time, get to know everything about that person, and then decide whether you really want the relationship with that person or not. Because without knowing somebody, in the end, you'll be disappointed, because it's a mistake if you don't know anyone and you just fall in love or expect big things, big commitments from someone. So don't do it. And my last but not the least, which is very important factor of a person who really shows interest in you but he doesn't want a relationship, is that person see you as a entertainment. Entertainment means the person just want to have fun with you, wherein the important motto and the priority is having sex with you. Yes, they are physically attracted towards you, so they just want to be with you, have nice time, but they just don't want the relationship, they don't want any label, and they just want to be friends with benefits. So yes, I know it's very bad to hear, but that's the truth. That's the kind of world it is. So my lovely ladies and my men, whenever you see such situation, please don't react, don't feel bad, don't get hurt. Be an adult and take control over your likes, control over your life, and just think maturely, rationally. Please understand the person's mind. Please understand their motives, and please do not fall for wrong person, or do not expect too much too early, or do not fight for somebody who doesn't respect you. Do not waste your emotion for someone who doesn't respect you at all. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you find my points are not related or maybe wrong, please comment. I'll try to improve. Take care. Bye-bye.